Once I released Krystal Glaze Glue, after being a rhinestone supplier, and then people started asking me all the time what kind of glue I use. Now, I had been using various glues throughout my blend journey, but they never gave exactly what I wanted it to give. So then, because I was no longer completely satisfied, there are great glues out there other than Krystal Glaze Glue, but Krystal Glaze is #1. Hey, ask somebody, okay? There were other glues out there. However, I wanted one that was made up of everything that I needed it to be. So #1, I'm not fully satisfied with the glues that I'm using when I'm creating my bling DIY projects. And on top of that, just like before, when many of my followers on social platforms were asking where I got rhinestones from, they started to ask what kind of glue I use. So then, after much research and testing, I created Krystal Glaze Glue. If you backtrack to when I stated that I was gonna release this glue, baby, this was like the thing in the bling community for a while. I still remember the launch day being so nervous. First of all, it took forever for my glue to finally arrive. We had so many problems trying to get it here. The dates were being stalled. Everything was being pushed back. I had people ready and waiting to buy Krystal Glaze Glue. It was something different. It was unique. It was in a pink bottle, just like I like it. It has the precision tip. It's clear. It dries fast. I could not wait to launch this glue. It was successful by the grace of God. And here we are still slinging Krystal Glaze Glue every single day. If I would have just remained a rhinestone artist, I would not have been able to impact the lives and spread the love of Christ to all the customers that I currently get to reach. Because my mission at Crown Krystals is to spread the love of Christ. And if you've ever ordered with me, you know that we send some form of scripture or prayer with our orders. That's a part of our mission. And to present ourselves as Christ-like and to act and walk in integrity and light and to show love. That's the whole point. That's the whole mission of Crown Krystals and the way that I choose to live my life. My purpose is to help women especially to think bigger and shine brighter. And thankfully, God has blessed me to have a business where I get to do just that while enjoying something that I love.